Poonam's Day Out.
Ma, please let me go to school today. I have been at home for the past 2 days. I am getting bored,
said Poonam. But you still have fever. Go outside and lie down on the cot, replied Ma. Poonam fell asleep on the cot. Suddenly, something fell on her face. Poonam woke up at once and touched her cheek.
Oh no, whose mischief is this? Is it the crows or the pigeons? It seems it's the crows.
Poonam picked up a leaf from the ground and wiped her cheek with it. But her cheek was still sticky. She thought, let me go and wash my face in the nearby pond.